Today I'm going to show you how to properly apply epoxy. We have a ceramic pot here that is stained and doesn't look too good, and I am going to put a coat of acrolon, which is a Sherwin-Williams polyurethane based epoxy, as you see here. Acrolon 218, and this is part A. Part B is the acrolon 218 activator. And you're also going to need some reducer number 15. Eyewear and skin protection is recommended. If you get a splash of this in your eyeball, it is going to be less than pleasant, and if you get it on your skin, it will take quite some time to wear off. So what we've done is we mix the part A, which is the color, and part B is the activator. I've mixed it together in a container which I plan on throwing away because anything that touches this stuff is rendered useless after that. You mix 25% activator to the color, so if you use 1 cup of color part A, you're going to need 1/4 cup of part B, the activator. I've also added a splash of the reducer to increase my open time. Open time is how long the epoxy will remain wet and usable. It is a chemical solvent-based paint, and once it is mixed together, it begins a chemical activation process. In other words, it begins to set up no matter what, and it will dry on its own. It does not need to be exposed to the air to dry. This stuff will dry underwater. We mix it together very well, very thoroughly, so that the activator has a chance to mix with all of the color. And I have already mixed it together, and we let it sit for 10-15 minutes, and then we mix it up again. It's called sweat time, and this just allows the chemicals to mix together completely. And we're going to use something that we throw away. Today I'm going to use a whiz roller, and a regular nap, which I plan on throwing it away because this stuff is just insane to try to clean up, and it would cost more in reducer to do so. So now that our product is mixed, be very cautious not to get this anywhere other than the surface that you intend to be painted, because this is an industrial strength paint and it will not come off anything that it gets on. After you've done this, you can take and apply the paint with a brush or a roller just as you would any other paint. And that is the proper way to apply 2-part epoxy, in this case the Acrolon product by Sherwin-Williams.